Create the home of your dreams and enjoy the biggest savings during the Living Spaces Labor Day event. The latest styles are waiting, and free next-day shipping brings them to you fast. It's time to refresh your living room, elevate your dining room, make over your bedroom, and bring personality everywhere. Plus, get special financing for 60 months on any purchase with your good credit. Celebrate the start of the new season only at the Living Spaces Labor Day event. Living Spaces!
In the morning, I see people strutting around the office with what they call breakfast. So McDonald's breakfast is I get a sausage McMuffin made with savory sausage topped with melty American cheese, a sausage burrito loaded with fluffy eggs, sausage, melty cheese, green chilies, and onion. And then I get another one for just $1. Nobody can match my breakfast flights. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Prices and participation may vary. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo meal. Valid for item of equal or lesser value.
Save on your supplements during the big semi-annual sale at Whole Foods Market. Take 25% off all supplements through September 13th while supplies last. Plus, Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop now, in-store or online.
Hey, Becky, what about this beat for your next song?
It's cool, but I'm into faster stuff lately. Like Xfinity that gives me beyond gig speeds.
Got it. What about this then?
It sounds powerful, just like Xfinity. Because its supersonic Wi-Fi has 3 times the bandwidth, you can connect hundreds of devices at once.
That's what I call power.
Unbeatable internet from Xfinity. Made to do anything so you can do anything.
Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free 4K streaming box. All for $50 a month with a 2-year internet rate guarantee and no annual contract when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data at regular rates. Go to Xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit a store today. Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and autopay. New gigabit extra internet customers only. Taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity internet. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes wireless usage. After 24 months, regular rates apply. Requires compatible Xfinity gateway.
To avoid power outages, we have to do our part now to save energy. Pre-cool your home to 70 degrees. Set your AC at 78 degrees or higher and avoid using major appliances. Sign up for alerts at flexalert.org.
It all started when I was a newly hatched nymph. I was a natural beauty and a master of disguise. I'd lure in my targets with good looks and flowery promises. Then I'd make
See what makes an orchid mantis drop dead gorgeous at Bugs, a new exhibit at the California Sciences. Explore the secrets of bugs, massive models, and more. Get tickets at calacademy.org.
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? Like that place with the square pizzas? Or the spot for sweet and sour chicken that's anything but so-so? Or, you know, with the Granch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
The difference between Prop 26 and Prop 27? Let's get real. Prop 26 means no permanent funding to fix homelessness, no strict regulatory oversight, no support for small disadvantaged tribes, and no protections to keep minors from betting or to prohibit gambling on youth sports. But Prop 27 is completely different. Prop 27 generates hundreds of millions towards priorities like new housing units in all 58 counties so we can get people off the streets and into housing. 27 supports non-gaming tribes, includes strict audits, and includes a Justice Department enforced ban on youth sports betting. That's why local leaders agree there's only one real choice. Yes on 27. Ad paid for by Yes on 27, Californians for Solutions to Homelessness and Mental Health Support, a coalition of housing and mental health experts, concerned taxpayers, and digital sports entertainment and gaming companies. Committee major funding from Bedford.
Teachers and families to set goals together, practice reading strategies, measure progress, and celebrate student success. Where others see a challenge, they see an opportunity. They know that teachers and families have a shared goal to help a child gain the necessary literacy life opportunities. Springboard helps accomplish this by increasing a child's high-quality reading time at home and in school. To learn more, visit FILAmethod.org.
You can make a difference. Find out what's going on in the Bay Bay Area. Visit 1013.com/calendar.
This traffic report brought to you by Caltrans.
The Grill of Forging Your Own Path is powerful. Nissan is uplifting our community with Grill of Possibility, a program created to support HBCU students in science and technology-related STEM courses and introduce them to exclusive career development opportunities. Learn more at blackeffect.com.
Bay Area traffic.
Traffic is brought to you by Whole Foods. In Mountain View, there's an accident that's been cleared, but it's still stop and go. 101 northbound before North Ring Store. Bay Bridge, there's an accident. 3 vehicles are involved, blocking the left lane. 80 westbound at Bay Bridge Toll Plaza. Save on your supplements during the big semi-annual sale at Whole Foods Market. Take 25% off all supplements through September. Prime members save an extra 10%. Shop now in-store or online. Terms apply.
Marcus and Corey, it's Friday. We just for the trip to the iHeartRadio Music Festival. The keyword, of course, was Vegas. Take that 200 before 10 o'clock for your chance to win at Star 1013.
Yeah, look for the light through the pouring rain. You know that's a game that I hate. And I'm feeling the strain. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Won't you take me away? Beginning to think that I'm wasting time. Understand the things I do. The world outside looks so unkind, and I'm counting on you. You can carry me through. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. Get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Take me away. And when my mind is free, you know melody can move me. When I'm feeling blue, the guitar's coming through to thanks for the joy that you're giving me. The joy that you're giving me. I want you to know that I believe in your song.
Still got time to get to Vegas. Word Vegas to 200. You got before 10 o'clock to get it done. It's Star 1013.
a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, a perfect storm? 'Cause what's in mind, what's in mind? There's no going back. Mark my words, this love will make you levitate. Like a bird without a cage. If you choose to walk away, don't walk away. It's in the palm of your hand now, baby. Say yes or no. So just be sure. Give it all to me, all to me. Give it all to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for it? 'Cause what's in mind, what's in mind? There's no going back. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dog. You're waking up with Marcus and Corey.
On Star 1013.
I don't feel a single thing. Have the pills done too much? Haven't caught up with my friends in weeks, and now we're out. I've been driving in LA, and the world it feels too big. Like a floating ball that's bound to break. Snap my psyche like a twig. And I just wanna see if you feel the same as me. Do you ever get a little bit tired of life? Like you're not really happy, but you're gonna die. Like you're hanging by a thread, but you gotta survive. 'Cause you gotta survive. Like your body's in the room, but you're not. Like you were never being fine, but you gotta care. Like you're fresh out of love, but it's clearly not prepared. A little bit tired of trying to care. A little bit tired of breathe this too cold. A little bit tired of sinking this water in my bones. I'm really breaking, trying to stay up so happy. Breathe this too cold. Guess I'm just broken and broke. The prescription was a name I can't pronounce, and the dose I gotta take. Boy, I wish that I could count. 'Cause I just wanna see if this could make me happy. Do you ever get a little bit tired of life? Like you're not really happy, but you're gonna die. Like you're hanging by a thread, but you gotta survive. 'Cause you gotta survive. Like your body's in the room, but you're not really there. Like you have empathy inside, but you don't really care. Like you're fresh out of love, but